Well, tonight we're taking a closer look at the sweeping judicial order blocking Homeland Security's Operation Paris. A federal judge in Minnesota found the program unlawfully targeted and detained legally admitted refugees. Sammy Salina joins us now with more on what that means for those who are already in detention. Sammy?
Julie, a lawyer for a detained refugee in the civil lawsuit, says while she considers that court order a win, the federal government is showing signs of not complying.
A federal judge ordered federal agents to stop detaining lawful refugees and to immediately release those detained as part of Operation Paris, a Homeland Security investigation targeting nearly 6,000 refugees without green cards.
It's happening over and over and over again to vulnerable people who came to this country in order to escape authoritarian governments, in order to escape things like being grabbed on the side of the road by masked men and thrown into handcuffs and leg shackles and transported to a place without being told where you're going.
Lawyer Michelle Drake represents a client in the class action lawsuit. She says Homeland Security is already showing signs of non-compliance.
Last night, I was ready to go pick him up on a moment's notice, and he is still detained, as are all the other refugees that are part of this lawsuit.
The federal government still has another 4 days to release and transport detainees back to Minnesota. Judge John Thunheim wrote in his order that ICE has been going against its own policy that states that not having a green card is not grounds for removal. He added, quote, refugees have a legal right to be in the United States, a right to work, a right to live peacefully.
I'm not aware that the government is complying with the order. They've indicated that they intend to seek to dissolve the order, but this is just another example of the lawlessness that we are observing by the government.
Now, in a statement, Homeland Security said Operation Paris demonstrates that the, quote, Trump administration will not stand idly by as the U.S. immigration system is weaponized by those seeking to defraud the American people, and said they will be fighting this order in court. Julie.
All right. Thank you, Sammy.